Ty.
That's a big piece. You better chew it.
Good job, Ty Ty. You do good. You do good. Yeah. Ooh. Come on,
You
Ty.
want Grandpa to taste it? He doesn't get this whole big piece, though.
Come on, Ty.
You like these? They're
Gotta let it rest a
peppermints.
little bit, and then
He's doing it on his own, though.
it's like earlier when he did the 3 steps, but he needs to rest a little bit for that. Yeah, he's a camera hog.
Yeah, point at mommy.
Go get it. Yeah, you get it. You chickened out.
Tyler. Oh, kaplunk.
He was close. Close, Kerplunkin. You going to get it? You going to try again? Go get it. Daddy got it.
Tyler.
Want Daddy get it? Daddy
Tyler.
will get it. Oh, Daddy got it. Don't give him that whole piece, though. Daddy took it. Look. Daddy got it. He's like, I know you want me to go to that lake, but I'm not going to it.
Tyler.